This QR code is how 500 million people in India send and receive money instantly using UPI. Apps like Paytm make it feel so simple, but what's happening behind the scenes is actually way more interesting. I realized this when I was building a payment gateway and got into a rabbit hole trying to understand how UPI actually works. Because when you scan a QR code, it feels like you're just sending money from one app to another, but here's what's actually happening. That QR code doesn't actually belong to Paytm. It contains a UPI ID, which is an address linked to a bank account. So when you scan it, your app, whether it's Paytm, PhonePe, or Google Pay, sends a payment request. That request goes to your bank, and your bank checks your balance, verifies your PIN, and confirms that you're actually authorized to make that transaction. From there, it is routed by a system run by the National Payments Corporation of India, or NPCI. Think of it like a switchboard which basically connects everything. It routes the requests by checking the UPI ID and sending it to the right bank. And it coordinates the transaction and handles communication between the banks, including confirmations and responses, basically making sure that both sides stay in sync throughout the transaction. The receiver's bank then confirms the account and that it can receive a payment. Then voila! Money moves from your bank account to the receiver's bank account, and all of this happens in seconds. So Paytm isn't actually moving any money, it's just the interface. And this setup is basically what keeps the UPI system both secure and user-friendly, because the system run by the NPCI is the backbone handling communication and coordination. The banks maintain all authority. They're the ones handling your money and verifying the transactions, and apps like Paytm, PhonePe, and even more recently WhatsApp bring that experience to you in a simple and usable way. Understanding this made me realize something. Even if you're just building a simple feature, you need to understand the environment in which it operates. And for me, that's what makes building products so interesting, because you're not just writing code, you're learning how different systems and domains actually work. And in the next video, I'll break down how the QR code itself actually works and why something so simple was able to scale to 500 million people. So make sure you follow so that you don't miss that. And if you're interested in understanding how to build scalable, high-quality software systems, and I haven't already sent you my modern software development blueprint, type systems in the comments below and I will send it to you.